Alright, drivers, loop is hot. You're on your run. Spread them out, guys. Spread them out. There we go. Good job. That way, if you want to race your buddy, you can both take off together. Seems to be working out good, guys. I like that method better.
Behind you!
You don't have to corral everybody and call out names. And everybody yells, "What's the order?" So it's quicker. Alright, drivers, this is race number 6, race number 7, your second heat of four-wheel drive. Your drivers will be up next. If you're not in this race, you'll be in the next one. We only have 2 heats, four-wheel drive, so you're in this one or the next one. So the 2 late entries that aren't in this race, you guys are in the next one.
5 minutes left.
1 minute down, 5 minutes left to go. Coming on lap number 1, it's Joshua with a 35.5, David with a 35.9, Cornell with a 36.2, Paul with a 40.6, Bobcat with a 42.3, Christian with a 43.9, Anthony with a 44.6, Jay with a 47.6, Jules with a 49.1.
Don't hit that fucking brake.
We're coming up on 2 minutes down, 4 minutes left to go. David Bruno now taking over the lead. So it's David, Joshua, Cornell,
4 minutes left.
Bobcat, Paul, Christian, Anthony, Jay, and Jules, your running order. The Euro leader's pace at a 10 at a 6:01. Oh, that's right, I can't announce his name. He crashes after I announce it. I'll have to say that other guy. Maybe he got over that in a 2 weeks. 2:30 now, 3:30 left to go. Joshua taking back that lead with a 34.4. David with a 36.5. Cornell with a 39.4. Bobcat with a 38.1. Paul with a 37.2. Anthony with a 39.3. Jay with a 39.9. Christian with a 50.8. Jules with a 45.0. As we are closing in on halfway, 3 minutes down, 3 minutes left to go.
3 minutes left.
Running orders: Joshua, David, Cornell, Bobcat, Paul, Anthony, Jay, Christian, and Jules. 9 trucks in this one. There'll be 10 in the next run. Woohoo! Like to see those 10-car races. So 8:35 down, 2:25 left to go. Now that other guy taking back the lead. It's a real close battle though. It only has 0.1 second on Joshua. Battle for that lead. Bobcat 7.5 seconds back. 2 seconds for Bobcat to Cornell. Paul in that 5th spot, followed by Anthony, Jay, Christian, and Jules. Your leader's paced at a 10 at a 6:03.
Come on, Jack!
4:15 down, 1:45 left to go. It's that other guy, Joshua, Bobcat, Cornell, Paul, Anthony, Jay, Christian, and Jules. Again, drivers, this is race number 6 on the track. Race number 7, second heat of four-wheel drive. You drivers will be up next. Four-wheel short course, second heat. If you're running four-wheel drive today, you're not in this race, you'll be in the next one. Are you ready to go, please? 5 minutes down, 1 minute left to go. 5 down, 1 to go. It's the other guy, Joshua, Bobcat, Cornell, Paul, Anthony, Jay, Christian, and Jules. Oh, easy, Christian. I think that's the first four-wheel drive blitz I've ever seen. Leave it to Sean to come up with something goofy like that. Right, Sean? 25 seconds left to go. 15 seconds. 5 seconds, drivers. 5 seconds. So you can beat the clock here, get another lap, and everybody is still live until I say you're done. Everybody's still live. Everybody's still live. Joshua, you were done. Everybody else is still live. David, you are done.